Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm down in my workshop. It's 4:40 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida, and it's still 85 degrees in my workshop. I just came in here, and so I turned the wall shaker air conditioner on, so that's the background noise. Moving on. I'm always looking for things for my viewers and subscribers that I feel that would be interesting. And that includes other YouTube channels that have the same or similar subject matter to mine, being shortwave radios, scanner radios, antennas, stuff like that. Well, yesterday I found one, and this is a fairly new channel, so most of you probably don't know about it. Like I say, I didn't know about it. It started, according to the website, it started in June of this year. I think that's correct. And that is Frugal Radio. And this gentleman has a series on SDRs, software-defined radios, from getting started to using SDRs that are on the internet, to a review of the 3 popular, inexpensive SDRs. So I'm giving a shout out to him and his channel. Again, it's Frugal Radio. And the series that caught my eye, and let me go to videos, and then where is it? Well, I can't find it. Doggone it. Oh, playlist. That's what I wanted to show you. Playlist. He has a playlist on SDRs, from an introduction to SDRs, if you're not familiar with software-defined radios at all, to a series on, or a show on SDR radios on the internet that you can use, that so you don't have to buy an SDR radio, you can use other people's radios. And then he does the review of 3 popular inexpensive SDRs. This is just a start. He just started. Let me see. If I go over here to About, he joined in April of this year, April 28th. And he does excellent productions. I mean, he doesn't do like I do, just get on the air and babble. Excuse me. He does production. His first show on the introduction to SDRs was, or is, fabulous. You got to look at that one. If you're interested in SDR, I'm all choked up. If you're interested in SDRs, you're not familiar with them, this is a great video to start. And then continue to follow the series that he's doing on SDRs. Excuse me. So please check out his channel, the Frugal Radio, and leave him a comment that I sent you, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.